Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. Today I'm testing out a product that I have tried before, however they have new colours. I was just going back through my old videos and I uploaded the original one of this video on the 15th of December 2017, so it's been a while. And it is the Tattoo Brow, the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. Back then they just had like the light, medium, dark, I think, and now they have a variety of colours, so we're going to give it a go. It's basically like a gel stuff that you paint on your eyebrows and then you peel it off and your eyebrows are magically tinted underneath. It says up to 3 days wear. I got black brown because I do like dark eyebrows, but we will see if I've maybe gone a step too far. I love these brow things like this. Anything that makes me not have to do my eyebrows every day, I'm happy, because my eyebrows are pale. I really like them, I like them really dark, but they are very pale, and I'm just not a fan. So anything that enables me to not do them, then I'm happy. So we're going to give this a go. I will link my old video up here somewhere or down below. But yeah, this is what we're testing today. So I've got my mirror, I've got my trusty favourite eyebrow brush in the world, which is Ruby May Dual Brow Groomer 861. I've no idea where this is from, what website or anything, but that's what it says on it, Ruby May, and it is literally the best brush in the world. It's a little angled one and then it's got a spoolie on that end. We're just going to get in. So this is how it comes. I was using another brow product, which I think might have also been called Brow Tattoo. Yeah, Tattoo Brow. It's another one of Maybelline's, and that is a waterproof gel. I have been using that, but that has all gone. Like, that's literally nearly all gone. So I'm gonna have a go on this one and see. Ben always laughs at me when I tint my eyebrows because he says I look like an angry bird. Now it comes with a little brush. I've always thought this was weird. I thought it was weird last time. It's just like a little paintbrush, and you can by all means paint it on, but you just can't get a lot of precision. So I always tend to use an extra brush, but it just says apply in desired brow shape, let dry for 20 minutes for up to 2 hours, and then peel off. So I'm just going to paint it on. This was like 12 quid I think from Boots. I'll put it all on the screen and I'll link it down below for you guys. But I like to do it with a little brush. So I'll just give my eyebrows a little brush. I don't mind the shape of my eyebrows too much. They're quite a good shape. They're just very pale. I'm just not a fan. I like some big old angry eyebrows on my face. So yeah, I think the colour I used last time was medium, and from what I remember, I don't feel like it was as dark as I wanted it. Crumbs, that is very dark. Oh dear, this might be a mistake. There's only eyebrows in it. We can just hide in the house if I need to. It's not like I've got to do school runs this week. Oh no, wait, I have. So yeah, the school runs are just with my mum friends, so they'll just take the piss out of me and it'll be fine. I'm just going to get on. It's quite sticky. And it's quite thick. That is very black. I said black brown. I thought I meant just dark brown. There was a dark brown option as well, but I was like, no, they're never dark enough. Let's just go for the darkest option. Oh dear. We can't go back now, can we? It's happened. It's happened. I forgot the smell. It's a very plastic smell. You want to get quite a thick layer on, so you can and like this is now where you can go in with this. Once you've got your shape on that you want, you can go on with the brush and just give it some welly, paint it on, get it on thick. Oh, that is dark. I look like I've only got one eyebrow on. That one looks like so pale, it's not there. Oh dear. And this will stain your skin, so you can like change the shape of your eyebrow if you want to. Like add a bit of extra fatness to your brows if you need it. I know they don't match, but I do not care. This is why Ben calls me an angry bird. These are very, very black. I feel like I've made a mistake. Like a little bit blue, it's that black. Well, it's on now. So I am going to sit and let this marinate on my face for like half an hour, I reckon. And then we'll come back and we'll peel it off. Okay, this has been on for like half an hour. We're going to peel it off and see what happens. So I normally try and start this end. I'm hoping I put enough on, but you can kind of see it. Oh, it's so satisfying. My camera's just gonna crap its pants trying to focus. There you can see it kind of peels. Oh, that is so dark. Whoops, I think I've made a mistake. But it's so satisfying. Oh, we might be okay. We might be okay. You can see it's not as dark as the actual tint itself. Zooming back out again there. Oh, I don't know if it is dark enough. Doesn't hurt. I was really worried when I first did it it was going to hurt, but it doesn't at all. And then to get the last little bits, I like to kind of just go through with a spoolie. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I'm happy with that. Ooh, that's loads better than I thought it was going to be. I was so worried when I started peeling it that was going to be like super, super crazy dark for me. I love it. It's like the peeling face masks. They are so therapeutic. Gross. And then yeah, just I kind of just twist the spoolie so it just gets out any last little bits. I'm really happy with that. I probably would have done a little bit more on this tail of this one, but I'm really happy. So you can kind of see it's not like, again, they're not as dark as they say they're going to be, which is why I had the issue last time that they just weren't as dark as I wanted them. And this is, that's fine. Like I'm quite happy to go out with them like that. But as you saw, it was like black, and then you get this, which is definitely not black. I don't know if you wanted them darker. Maybe if you did leave them the 2 hours, maybe they would get darker, but or they would come out so they were black brown. But for me, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I will let you know on the screen or down below how long this lasts for. It says up to 3 days. Today is, what day is it? Tuesday. So we shall see if this is still going strong. It's Tuesday evening, so this should technically be okay by Friday, but we will see. So yeah, if you like these test out, try on weird things videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. If there is anything you want me to try out, let me know in the comments. That would be amazeballs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!